What's going on YouTube? It's Jake from Sc10, and we're going to be taking apart the back of this car to get access to the rear differential housing. Alright. Get these over here. So, this is what we got so far. I'm just going to dig right in and start taking it apart and see what happens after that. So, here we go, right? We get the right Allen wrench. Let's take off this rear diff cover. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm taking that off. Let's loosen that up. I'm taking off the back bumper too. Get into there and access it all. Alright, that's that. Let's get the other side. There we go. And now I should take off the tires. It's a funny 9mm. Oops. Alright, let's just pick up that screw. We'll put it back into the cover. Yeah, so we got the advanced slipper in here. I don't know if you can really see it, but there it is. It works pretty nice. I like it. Well, I should say that it's going to work real nice. I haven't tried it yet. Alright. Let me readjust the camera for a second. Sorry. And let's get into the rest of this. Move my 18 scale. There we go. Alright, so let's undo these back bolts in here for the bumper. Let's get the right Allen wrench. I believe it's this one. And there it is. Alright. So let's get that. Shouldn't be too hard to get to this. See how long it takes us. I'll do a video about taking it apart and a video about putting it together. So if people ever get a car that's in pieces like I do sometimes, you can have a reference video. But if you do enough of these, you just know where everything goes. So a lot easier. Take it all apart. The blow up diagram is pretty nice too. I don't have that right now. So let's put all the screws over here, those we took out. So I'll take off this back one. There we go. Yeah, I had to clean off my desk to do this one. So maybe we'll add some music. Couple little speakers. But won't be able to hear me talking. That's okay, right? There we go. Let's thread this out. And it's almost done. Oh, this thing's biggest bolt inside here. Never forget where that one goes. Alright, there's one more inside over here. Just gonna take off the whole bracket. Let's see. Geez, after this car is done, it's gonna be an awesome car. Be extremely fun. Alright, let's just get that a little twister off in there. There we go. There's the rear bumper. Look, it's right there. Okay, so let's take off this. The rear bumper really hides a lot. Makes the car a lot heavier too if you think about it. Mud flaps and everything. But you need them if you're out in the backyard on the track. I suggest having them. You may hit some things. There we go. Start on the bottom. Get that. Alright, that one's a little tight. I'll turn the Allen wrench. There we go. So we got the back off now. Back good. Nice. Got the guard off. Clean a little bit of grass out of there. Jeez. Some hidden material. Motor still looks pretty decent in there. Alright, so we're getting close to the red def now. I'm just gonna undo the engine just to get in there a little better. I gotta undo the slipper anyway. There we go, there's 1, 2. Alright, how's that look? Alrighty, closer and closer to the diff now. Let's just flip that over on that side. Let's see, this is what we got here. I kind of show you guys on an angle, sorry. Alright. So we already undid the bottom screws. I'm just going to get these top screws up there. A couple more things. Alright, let's get to it. Move this motor back out of the way. Hopefully this Allen wrench is long enough. That just makes it. Alright. There we go. Okay. So we got all that stuff on there. Looks pretty good. Then we have to take off just a little bit more to get in here. So, should we take off that bottom plate? Let's see. I'm pretty sure that we can just, this bottom plate will flex. And then that should just, there we go. That was easier than I thought. Okay. Here it is. There's your diff. Oh, it doesn't sound very good. Jeez, huh? I don't like that. I think I will put a new one in. We'll see how it sounds after.